Hey YouTube, welcome back. Okay, so I'm on here to talk about my Uggs. This is what they look like. Okay. Now this is some sturdy, you know what I'm saying? These don't bend. Like, this is some sturdy material, like, you know what I'm saying? So this is the shoe. This is what it looks like. And I got a size 9. Okay. And this is the other one. Same thing. Oh, they feel so good. Okay. Okay. So let me tell y'all the struggle about getting these shoes. Alright. I live in California, right? Okay, cool. I called a lot of stores for these shoes. Sold out. So I finally called Journeys, where in Citadel outlets. I called the Journeys Citadel outlet store, and she said she only had one pair left and they were in red. Now, my favorite color is red, but I wanted black so that they could go with everything, right? So I was like, okay, hold them. I got them in a size 10. And she's like, I can hold them until the end of the day. So went down there. The shoes didn't fit. The shoes were too big. I was so upset. They were like literally too big. The size 10 was definitely too big for me. So she was like, I can order them online. And I was like, okay. So I ordered them online. They came within a day because they came from Las Vegas, and I live in Cali. Las Vegas, Cali, that's 4 hours, which is why they came in a day. So if you do order from Journeys, it might take a little longer if you don't live in Cali, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the price I paid was, my total was $108.74, which is good. And I guess it was free shipping because I didn't have to pay shipping or anything like that. So yes, these are the shoes. I got them in a size 9. They are so cute, and they fit. These fit. Like, these fit. I'm trying to see how I want to do this, how I want to try them on. Well, I've already tried them on, but I want to see how I can. Let me see if I can just put it on and just lift my foot up. Like, there we go. They fit perfect. The star of the show, my foot. Okay. Like, they fit. And these are so fluffy. They're so cute. They look so, oh my god. I'm going to enjoy wearing these. And I heard this is what, sheepskin? I don't know what this is. And it comes with a little thingy. I actually did not read this. I was so excited. This is what it says. If you want to pause the video, you can read it. And that's something else. And then this is their social media. And yeah. Water resistant, waterproof, weather rated. Okay, so it's perfect for a light drizzle. These materials are designed to repel water but not crafted for heavy rain or flow. Makes sense. Crafted for any level downpour. These materials protect against water, rain, and snow. It says they're waterproof, but I'm not going to test that. I'm really not going to test that. With this rating, our cold weather styles are designed to stand up to temperatures as low as negative 20 degrees Celsius, negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 32 degrees Celsius, and which is negative 25.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And Dry Tech, our Dry Tech membrane forms a waterproof and windproof barrier to protect your feet from the elements. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. All right, so I guess at this point I'm just about to be rambling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get my thumbnail. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to get these shoes and you live in California, I suggest you go to Citadel Outlets. They also have a UGG outlet store in Journeys, which I went to Journeys because UGG ain't have them. You know what I'm saying? They have my size. So yeah, I went to Journeys, Citadel Outlets. All right, and that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.